I am illustrator named Casper, and I don't have a light table. Therefore, I sometimes create a temporary lo-fi version so I can create my line work, which I will show you now. I use stuff which most people have at home. This is my pencil sketch which I will be tracing. First, I attach my drawing carefully with tape onto a transparent surface. This surface might be plexiglass or real glass. I'm using real glass from a frame. It is important that your piece of glass is larger than your drawing. Using books or some other sort of stacking material, you raise the glass surface. It's important that the stacks are at the same level of height. Attach the paper that you want to trace on over your sketch, again using tape. Last thing, place the flashlight of your smartphone beneath the glass plate. You can also use other types of flashlights, but preferably one that spreads the light as much as possible. And there, you don't have a light table, but you do certainly have the effect of it, and you can now easily trace your drawing. If you're working on a drawing in the daytime, I suggest you minimize the light from outside by, for instance, drawing the curtain. You can see how much this helps when I draw the curtain now. If you want to see an even more simple guide to a lo-fi light table, please check out my other video where I use my window, link in the corner here. Thanks for watching, till next time, have fun drawing.
The one whose safety deems such destruction. This is the way.